Welcome to Vridhi Finance, and guess what? In the midnight, we are making on the last minute IPO detail of Nephrocare Health Services Limited NSE BSE IPO detail. Unfortunately, we don't get a time to mix video, but that's the reason on last day, last minute, we are making this Nephrocare Healthcare Service IPO detail by Vridhi Finance. So here is the journey of this company. The inception first clinic launch in Hyderabad in the year of 2010 to 012 Triple P kickoff launched by the first dialysis clinic under the public-private partnership. PPP means public-private partnership. 2015 50 center launch dialysis clinic crossed 10,000 treatment month. Then 2018 they have Da Vita India acquisition acquire 100% stake in Da Vita India. Apart from 29 to 20 Philippines acquired 6 clinic dialysis network, 35,000 annual treatment, where 2022 they have launched their Uzbekistan launch operations after winning USD 75 plus million global P tender. Saudi Arabia 2023 they have in Saudi Arabia signed JV with Arabian International Healthcare Holding Company Al Faisaliha Group. So in that case of 2024, again the Philippines acquire 6 clinic dialysis network with approximately 49,000 annual treatment. Philippines acquired 7 clinic dialysis network with 30,000 annual treatment in 2025. So this is all about their journey which they have mentioned. Apart from that, we would like to focus on many things in this case. See, they have given we are offering a span wide range of core, auxiliary, and wellness services, ensuring holistic care. We offer hemodialysis with the capabilities such as a home hemodialysis, home hemodiafiltration, holiday dialysis, dialysis on call, dialysis on a wheel, ensuring patient have access to more suitable and convenient treatment option, widespread presence, ensuring patients have a easily accessibility to dialysis services. On 30th September 2025, 1.87 million treatment, number of treatment growing CAGR 20.09%. Okay, we will not speak about how many number of dialysis they did in the last 3 years. We have only Indian dialysis services provider has a scale internationally. Extensive footprint in India and with 31.79% revenue being generated from the international operation in fiscal year 2025. We have operated widely distributed network clinic across 21 states, 4 union territories, 288 cities in India, aggregating 77.35%. Our clinics is located in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. We have a in third largest dialysis chain in Philippines in terms of numbers in the year of 2024. So this is all about India's one of the biggest dialysis company, where the North India they are having 84 centers, East India they are having 79 centers, in South India they are having majorly 223 centers, and West India they are having 82 centers. Overall in tier 1 they are having 106 centers. Apart from that, tier 2 they are having 128 centers, and tier 3 city 234 cities centers. So north, in the north, they have included Punjab, Rajasthan, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Union territories like Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, and Chandigarh. Where South India included Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Kerala, and Union territory known as a Pondicherry. In East India, they have included Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Jharkhand, West Bengal, and Bihar. Apart from that, west region of India is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Goa. This is all about they have the dialysis services across the country. 2022 they have a milestone. First standalone clinic they started at Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. We have already covered this triple P. We are just 2012 they have started Sananat Nagar, Hyderabad. Okay, in this events and milestone, they have given the address detail even how they had did it. I think I have already covered up their journeys over here. And 2025 they have 7 clinic AIZ Hemodialysis Center, Biogen Hemo Center Incorporation, Carmona Dialysis Center, Infinicare Health System, and Colf Dialysis across 500 clinic globally. Yes, we have already covered up their details. So Nephrocare Healthcare Services is having Nephrocare Health Services in a Nepal Private Limited, Nephrocare Health Services Central Asia FELLC NCHA 100% Nephrocare Health Services International Pte Limited, Nephro Plus Kidney Services Company 100% is under cover up in this basically Nephrocare Healthcare Services International Pte having 3 branches: Nephrocare Health Service Saudi Arabia, Nephrocare Health Service Philippines Incorporation, People Centered Hemodialysis Care, Cardias Dialysis, Dialysis Asia, and Patient Care, Mega Health Dialysis Center, Curis Hemodialysis Clinic, Universe Dialysis and Kidney Care Center, St. Margaret Dialysis and Biocare Center, Medical Expert Group and Associated Incorporation, Curies Cavit Renal Corporation, Renal Therapy Solution. What is this? Anram Medical Group, Riaz Dialysis and Wellness Center, and Biogen Hemo Center, and Cornea Dialysis, ANZ Hermoid and Colf Dialysis, Inficare, and Nepal Alliances Venture. Sorry, it's a Nephro Alliances Venture. So it's all about we have covered their branches over here, and we will speak directly in a short and sweet IPO detail. IPO issue detail of Nephrocare Health Services. Issue has opened up already on the 10th December. It will be closed on 12th December 2025. And this symbol will be Nephro Plus, where the book IPO market time 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. 100% book building issue, price range between 438 to 460 per equity share. And this is the book running lead managers are ICICI Security Ambit Private Limited, IIFL Capital Service Limited, Namura Financial Advisory and Security Private Limited. We're sponsored bank ICICI Bank Limited and Axis Bank Limited. It's all about the IPO detail. So the rating for Nephrocare Health Services Limited by Vridhi Finance. This is the medical. So medical we have not going in a deep dive analysis. So Nephro Plus or Nephrocare Health Services We will give it to this company around 1.8 out of 5. So thank you, by Prithvish Finance. I think we are late to upload this video. Actually, we were making the GMP predictions video, which we have uploaded already on our YouTube channel for WakeFit and Corona remedies, I guess so. So you can don't forget to watch out our another video and IPO detail for Park Medi World means Park Hospital Limited too. Don't forget to watch out the GMP once this both the IPO Park Medi World Limited and Nephrocare will be closed this IPO. By the weekend you will get a Nasdaq analysis too. Don't forget to watch out our YouTube channel rather than just following on Twitter account. Have a great day. Good night, sweet dream. Bye bye.